Hey everybody, welcome to Blizzard Beach. Going up the ski lift to the top of Mount Gushmore. How exciting is that? Are you excited?
Very excited.
I don't know if anything could top how yesterday went. Running into the Tim Tracker. But we're gonna try to top it today somehow. We're just riding all the rides, right? Like having lots of fun.
We'll try.
We'll try.
We'll try.
We'll try. I don't know if Andrew can get much more excited than meeting the Tim Tracker, but
I doubt it.
yeah,
I very seriously doubt it.
I doubt it too. I held my composure though, and yeah, it was awesome. I wish I had got a video of that. I didn't know.
No, because the one time somebody didn't have his GoPro is when we ran into them.
Yeah, for whatever reason, I put the GoPro in the locker yesterday. As soon as we got there, and like the first ride, the second ride. The second ride we're on, and the Tim Tracker's like right behind us on the line. I'm like, oh my gosh. Anyway.
Luckily, somebody dropped their phone.
Yeah, so at least we got a picture with him, and Jim, of course. But
No, don't look down.
Yeah.
Just for the record, we're both very scared of heights.
Yeah.
So this ride was like.
Well, I mean, it's not too bad.
No, it's not.
Like, I'd probably break an ankle if I fell, but that's probably about it. It's not gonna kill me.
I died of a heart attack, so it's okay.
And luckily, they have the terrain sloped so that you're not like 100 feet off the ground by the time you get to the top. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, what is the name of this one again? Steamboat Springs?
Is that where we're going?
Is that the name of it?
That's where we're going, yes.
Yeah, I mean, that's the name of it. All right, let's go do this. From the top of Mount Gushmore. Man, I wish I could zoom in. You can see like everything from here. You can see Disney Springs from here. That is awesome. Holy cow, so that's, can I point to it? Can I get my finger in the right spot? I'm not sure, but that big is Coronado, the new Coronado? Or the new Beach Club, I'm not sure. Swan and Dolphin, Spaceship Earth, Tower of Terror, which we know that Andrew won't ride anymore. Construction cranes way out there. What are those construction cranes? Probably Star Wars? Probably the Edge of the Galaxy, yeah. And then you can see the Disney Springs balloon. So awesome. Beautiful view.
When you reach the bottom, look to the side.
Steamboat Springs. What a beautiful view. Woo! this is so scary. Look at her. Whee! Whee! So let's talk food at Disney water parks. It's not good. Yeah, I mean, like food in the theme parks, the 4 big theme parks, pretty good. You can find good quick service meals there. We've not been impressed with anything we've eaten here, like at all.
No.
A couple things have just been straight out bad, right?
Yeah, should we just like go through what we have ordered and why?
So yeah, the first thing we ate at a Disney water park was the chicken salad sandwich.
No. Fish and shrimp.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Fish and shrimp basket.
Partly bad on our part because we should have not ordered something hot and greasy at a water park.
Yeah, but it was overly greasy. Like the oil's not hot enough or something's going on in the back. Way too greasy on a hot day. Not good. Chicken salad sandwich. Soggy bread. Like you can't pre-make sandwiches, mayo-based sandwiches, and let it sit in the cooler. The bread gets soggy. Like you know that, right? It's not good.
And the chicken salad wasn't good to begin with.
That's true. And then what else did we have? We had
The
Italian
Italian.
sandwich. All right, so the Italian sandwich was probably the best thing we had so far. And it wasn't great, but it was the best thing. The bread was kind of dry, but that's better than being soggy, right?
And it was good bread.
It was good
whole
bread.
grain bread.
Yeah. And then Southwest chicken wrap. No flavor at all.
All the meat on one side of the wrap,
Yeah, and then all the salad on the other side.
so your bites were inconsistent.
Come on, guys. And then we just ate. What did we just eat?
Nachos.
Oh, brisket nachos. I mean, the brisket flavor, if I was at a barbecue place, would have been good, but it overpowered everything else. That's all you could taste was barbecue brisket.
And the meat chunks were so huge, you can't put those on a nacho chip.
Yeah, Disney chopped the brisket, like chop it up so it's edible on nachos.
There were quite a few toppings though, I will give them that.
But bring your lunch. Bring your lunch. Oh, that's so cold. Oh my gosh, that's cold. Alright, so I think we're going to call it a day from Disney's Blizzard Beach. Did you have fun today?
I had fun.
Yeah, we had quite a few rides.
I'm not totally exhausted.
Yeah, we're not actually totally exhausted for once while we're leaving. So we're going to cut, what do you call it? You know, like cut your losses, not cut your losses, but
Call it a day.
we're going to call it a day. While
Not what you were looking for, was it?
Quit while we're ahead.
There you go.
That's it. We're going to quit while we're ahead. You know, and we have to go back to work tomorrow. Weekend will be over soon, but we're going to go home and enjoy the rest of it. Hope you guys had a great weekend and enjoyed seeing some of the rides today with us and hearing us ramble about the horrible food.
Yeah.
Sorry, Disney, but you need to up the food game at the water park. Love you guys. Bye.